love, and life, family. Peace, love, and life, family. I'm out here in San Angelo, Texas. It was just 100 goddamn degrees outside, 104 degrees outside, and it's now hailing. It was not even like literally 30 minutes ago. I'm finna try to come. Hold on, look. You see the pieces of ice coming down? A piece of ice just hit me on my foot. I was gonna go move the vehicle, but goddamn, this shit raining cats and dogs out here. Goddamn. Hold on. You see the lightning? You see the hail coming down? I'm gonna try to zoom in for perspective. You see the hail? I ain't gonna lie. Y'all finna come with me. Cause I gotta go move this goddamn car. I ain't finna have this bitch. Hold on. Y'all finna come with me. Y'all see this hail out here. I see this hail. It's really hailing. Hailing everywhere. I don't know if I should go goddamn me. Go out to the car, cause this hail starting to get, look, it's starting to get bigger. It's starting to get bigger out here. I need to pick up a piece of hail for protector. Okay. See? Hail. Look, the wind is getting extremely strong. Hold on. That wind is getting extremely strong. Tornado, y'all. I think there might be another tornado out here. This is extremely strong. You can just feel how massive this energy is. You can look at the gust of wind coming up. Really just show y'all all the way, but I don't want to get carried off in this shit. But you can see how my hair moving for perspective. When I just send that right here, my hair is moving a lot. Look, y'all. Look, the water getting swept all the way in here like that. The water is literally getting swept in here like that. You can see just for perspective how intense this energy is out here. The energy is very, very intense. And the wind just got drastically colder. The wind just got drastically colder. It got drastically cold out here. So you can just, if I zoom in, you can just see. Look at my hair. You can see how my hair is just flying. That's what he got out here. See, this thing got crucial. I just got a severe weather alert on my phone. I got it earlier at like 4 o'clock this morning. Like around 4 o'clock this morning. I was talking about how supposed to be 107 degrees and shit. But you can hear that clanging in the background. That's the hail. That's the hail trigger clanging, there's lightning and everything going on. Look, power keep going in and out. The exit sign power was just on. The exit sign power was just on. And the power had went out when I was playing my game system. That exit sign got on. And the lights just flick. The lights just flick on and off. Come down a little bit. But it's still hectic out here. Let me go see if I can brave it a little bit. Cause I ain't gonna lie, nigga, it was just out here big shit. There's big shit out here. Look. Hold on real quick, family. Hold on real quick. It's out here going down. I swear to God, y'all, it's out here going down. God kind of got a little view to it. Let me get out here real quick. Gotta make this run. Ooh, fuck. It's out here. It's going down out here. It's the wind is. Fuck all that, I gotta move this. The wind is extremely strong. I feel the energy all up in my chest. I feel the energy all up in my chest. The energy is extremely strong out here. You can hear the